Have you ever heard someone say, "Today's heat is 30 degrees"? That actually sounds normal, but scientifically, it's wrong. So today, let's clear up a very common confusion. What's the real difference between heat and temperature? Let's start with temperature. Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is. On a microscopic level, it depends on how fast the molecules are moving. The faster the molecules move, the higher the temperature. That's why we use a thermometer to measure temperature. Now, heat is something different. Heat is energy that moves from a warmer object to a colder one. For example, when you put a cold spoon into hot tea, heat flows from the tea into the spoon until they reach the same temperature. Here's a really interesting example. A cup of hot tea in a swimming pool filled with warm water. The tea has a much higher temperature, but the pool actually contains much more heat. That's because it has a much larger amount of water and energy. So let's summarize. Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is. Heat is energy in motion, moving from hot to cold. If this made science a little clearer for you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple science.